What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode, New Life Furniture. Thank you for joining us once again. I got another one, I think number 2,800 on the year. I don't know, they keep coming. That's why I'm telling you this is a great thing to do in your area, whether you're in Winnipeg, South Carolina, California, New York, India, Tokyo, Japan, Thailand, India, Ireland, wherever you are in the world. This is a great thing to do if you have this opportunity. Look online, look in your local classifieds. People are always about to throw this kind of stuff away because it's too big and heavy and awkward. So if you get that chance to rescue them, go ahead. It's a lot of fun, great side hobby, and makes you some extra, basically beer money for you, or maybe to get your nails done or your hair done, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. So check out what we got. Went and picked this one up. Beautiful, big, thick, heavy pine table. Got a lot of scratch and marks on it from the kids, I guess, from the previous owner. So this is exactly the kind of things that people throw away all the time. I got the sanders ready to go. You know how we're gonna do it. We're gonna sand the whole thing, 60 grit, get it prepped, ready to go. On the base, we'll paint the base today, that glossy white that I like to do. And if we have time and it dries, beautiful day out as usual in Canada here, then we'll go ahead and try to add those distress marks, getting it prepped, ready to go. So, without further ado, let's grab those sanders and get to sanding. Ooh-wee! Paint time. So, gloss white, here we go. Check how that turned out. The sanding's all finished. We got the stain put on the base. Looks absolutely amazing. Loving how this is turning out. So we're gonna take our stain, our Jayco bean, as we use for all our projects, and let's go ahead and rub it on the top and see how this one turns out. Ooh wee!
Wee! Wee!